Amanda, I'm going to show you the coolest thing ever for your boy. What was his name again?
Alden.
Okay, very good. So we are going to catch lizards. So I don't know if we're going to get one right now, but we're going to make the lizard catcher. Find yourself a nice healthy stalk of either wild rye or this is wild oats. And gently strip the extra little stems off to the side, which leaves you a nice thin stem to work with that is going to become your noose. You know what a noose does? Yeah, baby, you're going to be catching those lizards. If there are any little tiny pieces on the sides, go ahead and gently nip them off. Use your teeth if you want. All right, here's the end. You're going to create a loop, but that loop has to be tied in such a way where it becomes a noose and it slides. That's the important part. And you have to be gentle, and hopefully you don't have a dog pulling at you like I do. That's my little dog Jagger. He's helping me bend this. All right, I'm trying carefully. Jagger, quit pulling. Okay, here we go. I'm going to make my loop, and this is what you want it to look like. So when you approach a lizard, your body and your body movements are too dramatic for that lizard. But this little noose, he doesn't get feared by because he can hardly see it. So let's pretend this is the lizard head. You're going to come from above and you are going to gently put it over the head and pull slightly. And when that lizard wiggles, then you've got him hanging by the grass. And there you go. Enjoy.